Good morning, children. How are you all? Let us start today's new session. Children, we already started chapter number 3 edition. Today, we will continue the chapter. Okay? Let us remember the points what we discussed in previous video. Okay, let us remember all the points what we have discussed in previous video. Addition is nothing but adding of two or more numbers to find the total number. I asked you already one question in last previous video. What do you mean by addition? Addition is nothing but adding of two or more numbers to find the total number. The symbol used to indicate addition is plus. The symbol used to indicate addition is plus. Okay, children? Next, the numbers that we add, are called addends. The numbers that we add are called addends. Okay? The answer we get after adding the numbers is called sum. Again, I'm saying the answer we get after adding the numbers is called sum. Okay, children? Children, this is page number 28 in your Max textbook. Here what they are asking, complete the following. Here they given some sums, we have to do that sums. Okay, children? I think you already learned how to do addition in first standard only. Okay? Let us continue. Okay, let us remember how we have to do the addition. All the points we have to remember once again. Okay? See, when we are doing addition, we have to always start doing additions with ones place digits only. Okay, when we are doing addition, we have to start doing addition with ones place digits only. Okay, first we have to add these numbers. Okay, children, I want to say one thing. If you want to do the addition, we will follow different methods, but we are following one method. I'm saying that method you should keep one number in your mind, one number in your hand. Okay, that method we are following, children. Okay, here I want to say one thing. You can keep 2 in your mind, 3 in your hand. Okay, but I'm saying one tip for you. Which is the bigger number, that number you keep in your mind, less number keep it in your hand. That is easy for you to counting. Did you understand what I'm saying, children? See here, 2 is there, 3 is there. Which number is the bigger number? 3. So you keep 3 in your mind, 2 in your hand. That means number 3 you should keep in your mind, should open 2 fingers. Okay, greater number you should keep in your mind, lesser number you should keep in your hand. Okay, so what we'll do now, see, 3 in your mind, open 2 fingers, children. 3 in your mind, 2 in your hands. Okay, 3 after, what is 3 after? 3 after 4, 5. So what do you have to write there? 5. What do you have to write there? 5. Okay, children, next we have to add tens place numbers. Okay, here see, 4 they given, 5 they given. Which number is the bigger number, children? 5. So 5 is the bigger number, so you should keep 5 in your mind, 4 in your hand. Okay, 5 in your mind, 4 in your hand. Okay, open 4 fingers, children. Now say 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we have to write there? 9. So what is the answer? 42 plus 53 is equal to 95. This is the answer. Okay, in this way you have to do the additions. I will go to the next sum. See here, they given 25 plus 73. Okay, first when you are doing, we have to start doing addition with ones place digits only. I said already. So 5 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 5 is the greater number now. So I said already, which is the bigger number that you should keep in your mind. So 5 in your mind, 3 in your hand. Okay, open 3 fingers, children. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So we have to write 8 there. Okay, now we have to count these tens place numbers. Okay, next 2 they given, 7 they given. Which number is the bigger number, children? 7. So you should keep 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. Did you understand, children? 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. Open 2 fingers, children. Okay, 7 after 8, 9. 7 after 8, 9. So the answer is 98. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the next sum. Okay. Here they given 0. 0 plus 9. Which number is the bigger number, children? Which number is the bigger number? 9 is the bigger number. So keep 9 in your mind. Okay. 0 in your hand. How do we add 0 to your number, children? How do we add 0 to your number? That is very simple. When we add 0 to any number, the result is number itself only. When again I'm saying, when we add 0 to any number, the number is itself only and we will get the same number because there is no value for 0. Did you understand? So again I'm saying, when we add 0 to any number, the result is number itself. See here, 0 plus 9 will get the 9 only because there is no value for 0. Did you understand, children? Next we'll go to the next digits, tens place digits. Now we have to add these numbers. Okay, which number is the greater number, children? 8. So you should keep 8 in your mind, 1 in your hand. Open one finger, children. Okay, 8 after 9. 8 after 9. So the answer is 99. Okay, children? Okay, we'll go to the next sum. Here again we have to start counting, doing addition with ones place digits only. So here they given 8, 0. Which number is the bigger number, children? 8. So you should keep 8 in your mind, 0 in your hand. Is there any value for 0? Again I'm saying, when we add 0 to any number, the result is the number itself. If you adding 0 to 8, we'll get the answer 8 only. Did you understand? Because there is no value for 0. Next we'll go to the tens place digits. Here they given 7, 2. Which number is the bigger number, children? 7. So you should keep 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. Open 2 fingers, children. 7 after 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Okay. We'll go to the next one. So here they given 5, 4. In this sum they given 5, 4. So which number is bigger number, children? 5. 5 in your mind, 4 in your hand. Open 4 fingers, children. Okay. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Next digits. See, 3 they given, 1 they given. Which number is bigger number, children? 3. So 3 in your mind, 1 is in your hand. Open one finger, children. Okay. 3 after 4. So we'll write here 4. Okay, children. Next one. So here they given ones place, we have to add the ones place digits first only. Okay. So 5, 2. Which number is bigger number? 5. So you should keep 5 in your mind, 2 in your hand. Open 2 fingers, children. Okay. 5 after 6, 7. So we should write here 7. We'll go to the next place here, tens place. We have to count now. So which number is bigger number? 5 is bigger number. So you should keep 5 in your mind, 2 in your hand. So 5 after 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. Okay. Next we go to the next sum. 0, 4. So which number is bigger number? 4. 4 is in your mind, 0, no value. So again I'm saying, when we add 0 to any number, the result is number itself. Okay. When we add 0 to any number, the result is number itself. Okay. We'll get the same number only. We'll go to the next place. Okay, now we'll count. 4, 1. Which number is bigger number, children? 4. So you should keep 4 in your mind, 1 in your hand. Open one finger, children. Now count. 4 after 5. The answer is 5. So the answer is 54. Okay, we'll go to the next sum. 8, 0. So you should keep 8 in your mind. 0 is there any value for 0? So again I'm saying, when we add 0 to any number, the result is number itself. We'll get the same number because there is no value for 0. Okay. Next we'll go to the next place. 1, 5. Which number is bigger number, children? So 5. So should 5 keep in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 5 after 6. So we'll write 6 here. Okay. Next one. 6, 2. Which number is bigger number, children? 6. So you should keep 6 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 6 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 6 after 7, 8. So you should write 8 here. Okay, next 5, 1. Which number is bigger number, children? 5. So should keep 5 in your mind. 1 is in your hand. So 5 after 6. Okay, children? Children will go to the next topic. Topic changing ones into tens. Changing ones into tens. Here they given one example. Here we observe this example. See here 7. So 7 1 said here they drawn 7 beads. For 3. So here they given 3 beads. Okay, we should count. 7 is the bigger number, so you should keep 7 in your mind, 3 in your hand. Okay, 7 plus 3 will get the answer 10. We'll get the answer 10. But we cannot have more than 9 in one's column. We cannot write more than 9 in one's column. So we have to change 10 ones in 1 tens and 0 ones. So we have to change 10 ones. We'll get here if we add 7 plus 3, we'll get the answer 10 here. But we can't write like that. We cannot have more than 9 ones in one's column. So we have to change 10 ones. We'll get the 10 ones here. If we add 7 plus 3, we'll get the 10 ones. So we change the 10 ones in 110 and in 0 ones in 0 ones. Again I'm saying, children, see here 7 plus 3, 10. So we'll get the answer. If we add these two numbers, we'll get the answer 10. But we can't write 10 here. We cannot have more than 9 in one's column. We cannot write more than 9 in one's column. But we get the answer 10. So what we are doing? We are changing 10 ones into 110 and 0 ones. We are changing 10 ones means 110 only, children. 10 ones means how much? 110. So we are changing 10 ones into 110 and 0 ones. Okay? Children, now I'll explain you how to change ones into tens. Now I'll explain you how to change ones into tens. Okay? Here they given two numbers. We have to add these two numbers, 7, 5. So which number is the bigger number, children? 7. You should keep 7 in your mind, 5 in your hand. Open 5 fingers, children. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So I'll get the answer 12. Do I write 12 here, children? Do I write 12 here? No, this is not correct way. Okay, children, these digits, they do not like to share their place. Again I'm saying, these digits, they do not like to share their place. So each digit like to stay alone. Each digit they like to stay alone. It is not possible two digits stay at one place. Did you understand, children? It is not possible. Two digits stay at one place. So what we have to do now? So we'll do the sum here again. 7 plus 5. 7 in your mind, 5 in your hand. Open 5 fingers, children. Okay, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll get the answer 12. We'll get the answer 12. Okay? In 12, see, 2 is in 1's place. 1 is in 10's place. Did you understand, children, what I'm saying? In 12, how many 10s are there, children? 110. How many 1s are there, children? 2 1s. Think about in 12. 12. 10 plus 2. 12. In 12, how many 10s are there? 110. How many 1s are there? 2 1s. So, we have to write this 2 in 1's place. Okay, we have to write this 2 in 1's place. We have to write 1 in 10's place. We have to write 1 in 10's place. Did you understand, children? 7 plus 5, 12. But we can't write 12 like this. This is not the correct way. It is not possible two digits stay at one place. So what we are doing? 12. We'll get the answer 12. So in 12, how many 10s are there? 110. How many 1s are there? 2 1s. So 12, 2 is we are writing in 1's place. 1 we are writing in 10's place. Okay, children? Children, I will explain you another sum here. See here. What are the numbers they given? 8, 8 plus 7. You should add these two numbers. Okay, children, we should add to these two numbers. Which number is bigger number, children? 8. So you should keep 8 in your mind, 7 in your hand. Open 7 fingers, children. Open 7 fingers. Now start counting. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you'll get the answer 15. So I'm writing 15 here. Is this correct, children? No, this is not correct. Again I'm saying these digits, they do not like to share their place. These digits, they do not like to share their place. Each digit, they like to stay alone. Each digit, they like to stay alone. It is not possible two digits stay at one place. Again I'm saying it is not possible two digits stay at one place. So what we have to do now? See, again we are doing here. See, 8 plus 7. 8 plus 8 in your mind, 7 in your hand. So you'll get the answer 15. You'll get the answer 15. So in 15, how many ones are there, children? 5 ones. How many tens are there, children? 1 10. Think 15. 10 plus 5 means in how many tens are there? 1 10. How many ones are there? 5 ones. So what we are doing now? So we are writing 5 in ones place. We are writing 5 in ones place. Again we are writing 1 in tens place. We are writing 1 in tens place. Okay, children, I said you already. These digits, they do not like to share their place. Each digit, they like to stay alone. Each digit, they like to see here they are staying alone now. Each digit, they like to stay alone. It is not possible two digits stay at one place. I said you the concept already. So what we are doing now? 15. In 15, how many ones are there? 5 ones. So we are writing that 5 in ones place. How many tens are there? 1 10. So we are writing 1 here. Okay, children, did you understand now? Children, now I am giving assignment to you. Complete the following. Okay, do these sums carefully. Okay, thank you, children.